Hello and welcome to Soc Compass. Today we're going to be doing the APT28 Persistence Try Hack Me scenario. What we're going to do is we're going to create a new workspace. We're going to enter the name of that workspace as the title of the scenario. We're going to hit documentation and we're going to copy all of this documentation tabs into the workspace context. I'm going to pause the video, do that, and then come back. We're back and we managed to completely copy all this information into the workspace context. Now what we're going to do is we're going to open up the playbook context section. We're going to hit playbooks and we're going to copy all these three playbooks into the playbook context section. I'm going to pause the video, do that, and then come back. We're back. We managed to copy all the word playbooks into the playbook context section. We're going to go to webhook configuration and we're going to enable human in the loop. We're going to enter the main webhook URL. This is what will be provided for you once you join in with us. But for right now, I'm going to be using the try hack me ones we prepared earlier. Enter create workspaces. Once you hit that, you'll be immediately transferred to your workspace. You'll be able to see all the conversation, the playbook context, the workspace context, and the webhook configuration. You can edit it, you can do anything you want to it. So then what we're going to do after that is we're going to click this star. This star is going to allow the analyst to be able to select it when we go to the analyst point of view. We're going to pause the video here, change to that view, and then come back. We're back and we just signed into the analyst point of view. What we're going to do is we're going to click view conversations. We're going to click create new conversation. We're going to enter the title of this scenario into the title box. We're going to choose this workspace that we started before. We can enter any conversation context that we want. We're going to hit create conversation. The analyst will be able to create the conversation using the playbook and the workspace context that we pre-configured earlier. What we're going to do is we're going to open up the first alert, copy it all into this message box, enter the event ID, click send. What that's going to do is we're going to have this pop-up open to say that the model, the AI wants us to run this query, but we're not going to do that yet. We can minimize that and have that open there. What we're going to do is open the second alert, copy all that in, add that to the queue, enter the event ID. We can click add to queue. That will be added to the queue. Whenever we finish processing this alert, the next alert will pop up immediately after. The AI can start analyzing it. We're going to do the same thing for the final alert. We're going to copy that, paste it in, write the alert ID, event ID I mean, and click add to queue. That's it. Let's do what the AI wants us to do. Let's open up the Splunk dashboard and let's copy this. Let's wait for Splunk to load up here. We're going to paste it in, click search. We're going to copy all this information into the AI for analysis. We have submitted that to the AI. What we're going to do now is we're going to wait for the AI to come back with further queries, and whenever they do, I'll come back and pause the video for you. Now we're back and the AI wants us to do 2 more alerts. We're going to copy that. We're going to paste it into the search box, click enter, copy the results that we got, paste that in. Then we're going to do the same for the second alert, copy that, paste that in, click enter, copy all of this, paste that in, then submit the results. Wait for the AI to come back for any other queries it wants us to do. I'm going to pause the video here and come back once it's back, wants us to do. We're back. The AI wants us to do another 3 more queries. Copy that, paste that in, click enter, copy all this information, paste it in. Then we're going to do the same thing for query 2. Copy that, paste that in, click enter, copy all of this, paste that in. Then we're going to do the same thing for query 3. Copy that, paste that in, enter, copy all the information, paste into the AI, submit results, and now we wait for the AI to come back. I'm going to pause the video and come back once the alert report has been completed or the AI wants us to do more steps. Now we're back and the AI wants us to investigate this IOC. We're going to open that into a new tab. It looks like it's not there in Alien 4. Let's check virus total. It's a lot more accurate. We can see here that there is no malicious intent. We can copy this in, paste that in, submit. It wants us to do another query. We're going to copy that. We're going to paste that in, enter, no results found. No results found. We're going to click submit results. We just done IOC enrichment and we done Splunk query enrichment as well. What I'm going to do now is pause the video and come back if the AI wants us to do any further steps or the alert report has been completed. Now we're back. The AI has completed the alert report for the first alert. As we can see here, it is a true positive and it explains everything why. It explains detailed rationale, linking the alerts, everything like that. That's perfect. The AI has automatically started on the second alert. So what we can do now is we can click this, click agent report now, and then we can start on the next query. Let's copy that, paste that in, enter. Let's copy all these rows, paste that into the AI, submit results. We're going to wait for the AI to come back to us if it wants any further details for us. So I'm going to pause the video and come back once that's completed. Now we're back and the AI wants us to do another 3 alerts. So we're going to copy that in, copy the first alert, paste it in, send. No results found. No results found. We're going to do the same thing for the second alert, copy that, paste that in, no results found. Then we're going to write no results found. And we're going to do the same for the last alert. Copy that alert, paste it in, enter, no results found, no results found. We're going to click submit results and it wants us to do IOC enrichment here. So we're going to open it up in files total. At least 6 detected files communicated with this domain, but it says here there's a community score of 0. Let's see threat thoughts, URL scan. Seems like it's alien fault. Does it have anything? Nope. Let's put into the AI community score. It looks like it's all clean. Let's say it shows that this is clean in virus total. Let's submit the results there and I'm going to pause the video here and come back if the AI wants us to do any further steps or if the alert report has been completed. Now we're back and the AI wants us to do another query. So we're going to copy that into Splunk, paste it in. Then we're going to copy this information, paste it in. We're going to click submit results. I'm going to pause the video here again and come back once the AI wants us to do anything further or if it's ready to give us the report. Now we're back and the AI has classed the alert as a false positive. This activity is legitimate certificate validation check. Good to know. Now we're starting on the next alert. We're going to copy that in, paste it in, click enter. We're going to copy all this information in, paste it in, submit results. What we're going to do is we're going to wait for the AI to come back to us if it wants further details or when the alert report has come through. The AI has come back and it wants us to do another 4 queries this time. Interesting. We're going to copy that query, paste it in, enter, no results found. We're going to copy this query in, paste it in, enter, 1 result found. Let's copy that result in, paste it in. Then we're going to copy this query 3, paste it in, 2 results found here. Copy that, paste it in. Then for the last query, we're going to copy that, paste it in, enter. Then we're going to copy all of this, paste it in, give it to the AI. What we're going to do now is I'm going to pause the video here and come back once the AI has completed for this alert or if it wants us to do any further steps. Back. Now it wants us to do IOC enrichment for the address. So we're going to open it up in files total. So let's copy this, paste it in. We're going to submit findings. It wants us to do 2 more queries. We're going to copy that, paste it in, enter, no results found for query 1. We're going to say no results found. We're going to copy query 2 in, paste it in to Splunk, enter, 1 result found here, copy that in, paste that into the query 2 box, then click submit results. And now we're going to wait for those results to be sent to the AI to do its analysis. I'm going to pause the video here and I'm going to come back if the AI wants us to do any further details or if the alert report or if the AI has finished the alert report. Now we're back and we can see that this one was a true positive here. What we're going to do now is copy the first query in. We're going to go to try hack me. And let's take ownership now of the first alert, white case report and the true positive white case report. Paste that all in, true positive, perfect. Yes, this needs to be escalated, then close results. We're going to do 2005, same thing. copy that in, copy the alert report, add ownership, white case report, there's a false positive. We're going to copy that, paste that alert report in, submit and close alert. We're going to do it finally for the last report, the last alert. We're going to copy that, paste that in, white case report, true positive, white case report. Yep, yes, done. And so it's victory, security breach prevented. Perfect. As you can see here, we didn't have to do any of the heavy lifting work, and the AI has managed to analyze all these three queries and have successfully classified them. But the AI hasn't only successfully classified them, got the reporting almost perfect here, 40 out of 50 here, and 50 out of 50 here. The false positives don't have the AI analysis, but as you can see here, it's included all the details it needed to get those almost perfect and perfect marks. I'm going to pause the video here, come back once I'm going to show you two more things of this platform, which makes it very exciting. I'm going to pause the video and come back once we change the owner POV. Now we're back. We can go to compliance and we can do generate report. Now this isn't SOC 2 compliant or anything like that, but this gives us a general understanding of what happened in the alert itself. We can open the details here. We can see here PII protection. We can see there, see they're saying that there's a Tom here, but I'm thinking this might be a false positive. But we can always check, which I'll show you how. We can also see the flow of things to see what happened during the alert process. We can download the flow, which is the craziest part about this whole platform. What we can do is we can verify this. Let's copy this, Tom, paste this in. Let's go through and see what's happening. They're saying that it's in the chat input. Okay, let's copy this chat input, paste it in. Let's try and find it. It's saying in input text.chat input. Okay, input text.chat input. Input text. I'm not seeing a Tom here. I'm thinking you see here Tom bar. The analysis of the PI detection is not 100% here, but it did see Tom bar and it assumed it was Tom. As you can see here, we done automatic PII detection and anonymization. If you go to data protection now, which is the next thing I wanted to show you, as you can see here, we done automatic PI detection and anonymization here. As you can see here, we can go to person 2. As you can see here, look, the attack targeted the username person 2. As you can see here, we did not know, the AI does not know who Tom is. It only knows who person 2 is. That's very useful because of the PII protection, because we're using LLMs here. We don't really want LLMs to know who Tom is and what these IPs address are. We've done this PII detection and anonymization. But yeah, that's basically it. You can refresh, you can add mappings, you can add multiple mappings. That's it. That's for the human in the loop version. Now we're gonna stop the video here, stop the recording, and we're gonna go to the automatic version, which where it's gonna let the AI do everything. I'm glad to see. Hopefully you'll see me on the next video, and see you there. Bye.